Can UGGs get wet? Yes, UGGs can get wet, but how well they handle moisture depends on the type of UGG boots you have and how they are treated. Below is a detailed explanation of what happens when UGGs get wet and how to care for them. 1. Classic UGG boots and water exposure. Classic UGG boots are made from suede and sheepskin, which are not naturally waterproof. Prolonged exposure to water can cause staining and discoloration of the suede, weaken the material, leading to potential damage over time. Soak the interior, making them uncomfortable to wear and difficult to dry. Second, waterproof UGG Collections. UGG offers specific waterproof and water-resistant styles designed for wet conditions, such as UGG Adirondack and Butte boots, made with waterproof leather and sealed seams. UGG Classic Clear Mini, made from waterproof materials while keeping the classic UGG look. 3. Water-resistant treatment. Some UGG boots come pre-treated with water repellents while others require manual treatment. To make classic UGGs more water-resistant, you can use UGG water and stain repellent spray to protect them from moisture. Regularly reapply the spray for ongoing protection, especially before wearing them in wet conditions. 4. What happens if UGGs get wet? If your UGGs get wet, the suede can become stiff or misshapen. Water spots and stains may appear. The sheepskin lining may lose its softness if not dried properly. 5. How to dry wet UGGs. If your UGGs do get wet, blot excess water with a clean cloth. Do not rub. Stuff the boots with paper towels to help them retain their shape and absorb moisture. Air dry away from direct heat or sunlight to prevent shrinking or cracking. Brush the suede gently with a suede brush after drying to restore texture. 6. Preventing water damage. To prevent water damage, avoid wearing classic UGGs in rain, snow, or puddles. Apply a water repellent spray regularly. Opt for waterproof UGG styles in wet weather. 7. Cleaning wet UGGs. If your UGGs are wet and dirty, use a specialized UGG cleaner to gently remove stains. Brush the suede carefully after they dry to maintain their look. 8. UGG Warranty and Repairs. UGG provides a limited warranty, but water damage due to improper care may not be covered. Always check their care guidelines for proper maintenance. While UGGs can get wet, classic styles are not designed for wet conditions unless treated, whereas waterproof UGG Collections can handle moisture much better. Proper care is essential to keep them in good condition when exposed to water.